Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable and use your clipboard for the keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy M23. So in order to do that, we'll need to get to any app that allows our keyboard to pop up, and for this example I'm gonna use Google. So as you can see, we have our keyboard right here. We're gonna press on this clipboard icon right here, and from here we can either delete all of the things, photos or any words and sentences, and we can also write any word, for example elephant. Select the word with your finger by holding it and press copy. Now if we go back to our clipboard, we have our word right here and we can pass it multiple times, and you can do it with full sentences as well. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.